How to fix iPhone keeps popping up in new iOS update. It is because the beta profile is still installed and iPhone is expecting a newer beta version that is not available or installed yet. So here is how to fix it. First of all, simply open the settings app on your mobile device. Now once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Now, once you tap on the general, tap on the software update option available there. Now again inside the software update, you can see there is update available here. So all you have to do is simply update your version to the latest, or else you can simply tap on the beta option available there and off it. You can simply tap on the off option available there for beta. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.